I'm Maddie, and what's super interesting is the past few months I've been having a lot of dreams, whether I was pregnant or I had a baby, and it was just something that was really strange because I'm currently single and that's not something that would be practical in the physical realm. And so I had talked to my mom about it, and she's like, I think that's just kind of God confirming that there's something new that's being birthed in you. And I had a dream like that last night, and in the car when I was driving here, I talked to my friend about it. I'm like, this is so strange. I had one of these dreams again. It doesn't make any sense. And then when we walked in during time of worship, she just like stopped in the middle of it, the worship leader, and she's like, I just had this vision and when I was praying over these songs for you ladies, and it was like, you were a womb, and that these seeds that have been planted that seem like they were planted in the dark and that haven't seen any growth for so long are actually reaching and they're receiving like fertile water and they're about to grow. And there's so many things that were just confirmed throughout today of dreams that I had when I was a kid, when I was a little girl, that I thought were just crazy, that I was too scared of. And those were confirmed, especially with just the word that I received was light. And I feel like the dreams that I have, whether it's through film or acting, that God wants me to be a light in places, into people and hearts, and see their hearts healed. So it was just incredible to see how that was brought together. And I was so encouraged by all the words that were spoken over me and the rest of the ladies in the room.